Hey guys, today I will be doing an unboxing of the Corsair Carbide series 400C compact ATX mid-tower case. Now, I got this case because the case I have doesn't have enough room to hold the bigger graphics cards that I need to use in my gaming and editing. So I got this case. That's one of the reasons I got this case. I'll say the other reasons when I unbox it. Now, let's first see what features this has here. This, I have the black version. There's also the white version. And right here on the outside, tells you material is steel and plastic. Color's black. Drive bays, you have 3.5. There's 2 of them. And the other one is the 2.5. There's 3 of those. Cooling. The front, you can put 320 millimeters or 2 140 millimeter fans. It comes with a 140 millimeter fan in the front. At the top, you can put 2 140 millimeters or 120 millimeter fans. At the rear, 120 millimeter, that's included. That's at the rear. And the motherboard it fits is ATX, micro ATX, and mini ATX. The front I/O has USB 3.0. There's 2, headphone 1, microphone 1, power and reset button. Now, let's slice this bad boy open, shall we? Ooh. Gotta be careful. Dangerous out here. Okay. There we go. That's better. Now, release this. I have to use the easy technique. Flip. Problem solved. Instruction manual for rookies. I don't need it. Has 2 foam pieces on the side here. So it's nicely packed. The plastic bag here. And I'll start on the bottom since it's already there. On the bottom here, I don't know if you guys can see, there's a filter where your power supply goes, removable, so you can take it off and clean it. Plus, the feet on here. It has rubber on the bottom, so when you put it on your table, it won't slide, it'll grip on your table. Okay. Flip it over. Yeah. Pieces off here. At the top, this is one of the other reasons I got it. Come on. Removable dust filter. You guys can see. It's magnetic. It slips right on. That's one of the reasons I got this. And as you can see the size of this, you can put your water cooling unit here or in the front. The top or the front, whichever one you want to use, or you can use both. One for your CPU and one for your graphics card. And also at the top, you see the I/O at the top, the USB 3.0, power button, mic, headphones, indicator light, reset button. The side here is an acrylic plastic door, opens just like that. Look at that. Isn't it beautiful? I love that. That's also another reason why I got this. And you can take this whole thing off. Completely comes right off. It's that easy. And you can see there's a cover for the power supply here at the bottom, so it keeps everything nice and organized. Plus it also has all the holes for your cable management in the back. And if you guys can see those, you can run your cables all over the case, so you have plenty of spaces to do your cable management. here, with the side shield here, the thumb screws. Take this off. And you guys have to be careful because this, when you take the screws off, it just falls, so you gotta hold it. And you pull that one right off. And another reason, because it has 7 expansion slots back here. I put all kind of peripherals in my computer, so this is nice. This is beautiful to me. Then, for your ATX power supply, right there, you can see the included 120 fan in the rear here. And there's also a 140 in the front. I don't know if you guys can see it. There's a 140 in the front. And the front, guys, I'm trying to, so you guys can see these clips. There's little clips right here that you have to take when you're taking the front off. So you can get the front off of this. And you know, if you guys notice, but there is no external drive slots or anything in the front. So for those of you who like to have external DVD drives, Blu-ray drives, or whatever on your PC, this case is not for you. Remember that, there's no external drives on here. I use USB thumb drives to do all my software, so that's another reason I love this thing. Right. Let's see if I can take this front off. Oh my goodness, thing's harder than I thought. I gotta be able to get this thing off here. Yeah. Wow, that's in there. Solid. That is in there. Yeah. It's gonna take a little time to get that off. So you guys aren't gonna be able to see that. But this is why I love this case though. It's just the air filters, cable management design, no external bays. It's just smooth finish, beautiful. That's why I like this case. You know, so if you guys want a case like this, you know, it'll be perfect for you. Now let me show you the other side of this. On this side, as you can see, get a little closer for you guys, there's 3 slots back here for your SSD hard drives, built right into the back. And there's also a couple screws that you can take this whole bracket off if you want to. You can take this whole thing off. And then at the bottom here, where your 3.5 drives go. Right there. So it has everything I need. And if someone wants a case like this, it's perfect. Especially if you're going to do your water cooling. You know, your setup in the top. You can do it in the front. You're ready to go if you're doing both. Because some units, you can actually set up both your CPU and your GPU with cooling, water cooling, you know, at whatever size water cooler you want to use. You know, some of them you can do that with add-ons. So if you guys want a case like this, I highly recommend it. I love this case. And I hope this video helps someone out that's looking for a PC case. And as always, I thank you guys for watching my video. Bye-bye.